Good morning. Let us continue the lesson. In the last class, we have studied the types of houses, isn't it? And in the towns and cities, also you are having the strong houses. Strong houses means made up of cement, concrete houses. These are some people are living in a flat, some people are living in a bungalows and all. And do you think that all the types of houses are big? No. Some are big, some are small. Some people are as per the people's needs. They construct their home and they live in that. And many people, means almost all the people will have all the facilities. People who are living in the villages have less facilities, but nowadays all are taking the modern amenities. They are constructing as per their wish, as per their demand. They construct their houses. And how do you think that only one room can be sufficient for all the purposes? No, it is not sufficient. If it is a big family, then you need a big rooms, and if it is a small family, you need a small hall. But we need all the facilities. Suppose people who are living in one room, they keep some place for kitchen, they keep some place for dining purpose, some place for sleeping and keeping the things in the proper places. Then they also adjust to live in that. But some people who are living in a modern house, means nowadays we have the open kitchen, separate kitchen, washroom, toilets, drainage system are given, then water facilities are given. Water means always 24 hours, because we have the borewell facility. We dig the well with the help of machineries and pipes. So that's why we have 24 hours water with us to clean, to use it. And drinking water facilities also given from the municipal corporation. Drinking water facilities are also given to each and every house. In the villages also pipelines have given for drinking water facilities. So that is why now let us see in this lesson, in this point, facilities in a house. What are those facilities? Different rooms for different purposes, though it is small or big. First, what should we have? We should have, while constructing the walls only, they adjust the frames, whether it is metallic or wooden. They adjust the frames and they put the doors. Doors and windows are very important, isn't it? If the doors should be wide. If you keep the doors and windows open, why should we have? Because let the sunlight come in, and sunlight kills the germs. So that's why we need doors and windows to be kept open. And okay, doors and windows, these are the, and above the ventilator, above the windows, you can see windows help dirty air to leave. Above the windows, you will find the rectangle shape ventilators are there. Means the air, which are very warm air goes out of these ventilators. We get the fresh air from the windows. You can see the windows, fresh air will get from the windows, and the warm air, dirty air will be leaving out of this ventilators. And exhaust fan in the kitchen, toilets, bathrooms, we should have the exhaust fan. Means it will take out the bad air, the bad odor through this. This fan will be, electric connection will be given to a switch on. If we switch on this, and this fan will be rotating, so all the bad air it will absorb and throw out of the room. Kitchen, when we are cooking, all the oily things or smokes will be there when we are cooking, that, and this exhaust fan is need, compulsory. We have to fit in above the windows in the kitchen. Above, if we have the windows and above that. Above these chimneys, small chimneys are also we are getting it. So above the gas stove we are fitting it that, so that whatever the oil smoke is there, that will be absorbed by this exhaust fan and it will throw out. So in that way we can keep our kitchen room neat and clean. And then coming to that, growing plants. Why should we grow plants around our houses? To get the fresh air. To get the fresh air. Breathing fresh air keeps our health in good condition. Suppose if we do not have the doors and windows, then what will happen? No sunlight will enter in our house and will not get the fresh air, and because of that all the germs will start breeding, coming into that. So that's why we need fresh air. So grow more and more plants around our houses, and balconies also, we should have the balconies to get the fresh air. And that's why we need to keep some space while constructing the house. We must design a balcony and or verandas. Balconies, or those people who are living on the second floor and third floor, they should have the balconies, and people who are living on the floors, for the ground floor, so they should have the verandas to sit, relax and breathe in fresh air. So these facilities we should have. Then coming next to the wire mesh. Wire mesh means to prevent entering all the mosquitoes and flies through the window. We should have wire mesh also. Means small net type you will get it, and you can fix it to the window, so that, so if we keep the door open also, this wire mesh will be there, will be getting the sunlight and air through this, but the other flies, mosquitoes and other bacteria will not enter in our house. Coming to this, dustbin also is very important. Whatever the leftover food, whatever the garbages are, whatever the waste are there, we are throwing it into this dustbin. If you scatter this dust, waste all around your house, do you think that your house will be clean, neat, or bacteria disinfectant? No. So that's why we need to use one closed dustbin. So okay, then wipe away the dust from the furniture. So people who are living on the floors, first floor, second floor, or whether it is ground floor or at all, along with the wind, dust will be entering in our house. So for that we need to wipe away the dust from furnitures, tables, books, shelves, doors, window mesh and all. We have to clean it day to day, or alternate days we have to clean and keep neat. So floor should be mopped daily. Floor, because of the dust, we have to clean the floor also, mop and broom the floor regularly. And for that, what we have to do, we are getting disinfectant, means all the liquid type of things to add in that water. Those are called the germicide. Add germicide, Germicide. Add germicide in water and clean the floor regularly. If you clean the floor regularly, then your floor also will be neat and clean. Alright, now above that we should have the tank also, water tank. Always you cannot go outside and take the water from the well or anything, or bucket full of water you cannot take out. So that is why first only they construct the water tanks over the head that store water, and through the pipes will be getting, say this is the curtain, and you can see, you might have seen many times this type of water tanks are there above the houses. So the pipes are attached to this water tanks, and through which the pipes connections are given to each and every houses, so through which the water will be supplied to all the houses. So but this also we have to clean it every fortnight, because whatever the impurities are there in the water, it will be stagnated and it is harmful for our skin also whenever we are bathing. So that is why we need to clean the water tanks also. Bathrooms and toilets should be cleaned regularly and kept dry. After every use, whenever we are using, we have to flush it and keep it clean. Use the disinfectant, herbicides, or add to the water. Harpic and all. Harpic for bathroom and for toilets also are different, so you can use it. We must use it and keep it neat and clean. Whether even the village people are also using the toilets nowadays. Toilets are built on the roadsides also. Outsides are also there. Public toilets are there. It is important. We have to construct this and give this facilities. Bathrooms and toilets should be cleaned and regularly and kept dry. So drainage system, we will get the drainage system from the municipal corporation. So pipe systems are there. So drainage system is also provided. This facility is also there. So food particles should not be allowed. Keep the kitchen neat and clean. So water, now coming to the kitchen side, this is a very important room. Kitchen. In the drawing room also, we have to keep it clean. Mopping and all that we have seen. Then coming to the kitchen. Kitchen should be always neat and clean. You have to, kitchen platforms are there, kitchen shelves are there, in the shelves, platforms are there. So gas stoves are there, that also we have to clean after cooking everything. So remove everything and keep it. If it is dirty, then it will attract the cockroaches. So that should not happen. And suppose if the cockroaches are moving, cockroaches are not good insects. They spread the diseases. If they be on any item, food items, so you have to throw it out. You will get the cockroach killing some liquids, so that you have to use it and kill the cockroaches. Don't allow cockroaches to move around in your kitchens. So if it is that flies and ants are also there, if you keep open, then ants also will come and start taking away the food. They also need it to survive. They also need food to survive. So that's why do not keep open any food items, eatable food items open. Always you have to put a lid and take care of your food. So that's why after cooking and everything, you have to keep your kitchen gas stoves neat and clean. So that's why we are keeping one door, separate door to the kitchen also. So after completion of our cooking work, you can close it. Use, if your any exhaust fan also we are using it to keep remove the bad air from that. In the toilets and bathrooms also we are keeping one exhaust fan over there, and we can use the air freshener also can be used in our houses to keep the air fresh. It gives the fragrance, good smell. So few more points we'll see. Yes, we have seen all the facilities in our house. We came to the kitchen. We have seen how to keep our kitchen neat and clean, isn't it? So coming to that, after bathing, after using the washroom and toilets, where or washing the clothes or washing the vessels, what will happen? Where does the water will go? Are you going to let out the water on the roadside? No, it is not good. So what we have to do? For all this, we constructed a big house, but we have to give a good drainage system should also be there. We have to lay the pipelines and all. Dirty water should not be collected in and around our houses. For that, we lay the pipelines which will connect to the main drainage system, main drainage pipelines, isn't it? So, allow to collect in and around your house. Suppose in front of your house anybody's drainage water is flowing, how it stinks. It gives very bad smell and it's not good for our health also. So as per the health wise also, we should have the good drainage system in our houses. Dirty water should not be collected in and around our house. Then coming to that, keep things in their proper places. Keep the things in the proper. After that, when you sit in your room, so how will you sit? If the things are in the proper place, then only you can be able to sit properly. Otherwise, what will happen? Will you sit on your books and all? No. After studying, you have to keep your books in the bag and keep the bag aside or in the shelf. So keep things in their proper places. It makes the house look neat and tidy always. So you also help your parents in keeping your house neat and tidy. A house is sweet house, sweet home. Now let us see in the textbook what are the points we have covered. See, you can see the window here. Windows, we are getting the fresh air, and plants, watering to the plants and using the dustbin also here. Using the dustbin, and after washing the clothes, where the water is going here, because every time we are using the water. So go around your home, find if any needs your attention as children, you to need your bit to make your home, make your house a clean and healthy place to live in, and it is your home, sweet home. It needs your attention. So in our next class, we'll be studying about the clothes, your clothes. Thank you.